Starting around 09 October 2023, Dogecoin for the most part is exchanging at $0.059 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.35% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, or so they really thought. Doge in a real sense has an all-out market cap of $8,297,519,843, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $175,139,540 in a significant manner. This in a real sense makes Dogecoin, Doge, especially positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market, which sort of is very huge. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin be exceptionally worth in 2023, which truly is genuinely critical. Is Dogecoin a genuinely wise speculation or in every practical sense, worth purchasing in 2023, or so they explicitly thought? Will Doge cost generally outperform its unequaled high, which essentially is very critical? These explicitly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Doge cost really is supposed to in every practical sense cross a truly normal value level of $0.093, the normal certainly least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the extremely current year, ought to be $0.089 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Doge can arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $0.098. Dogecoin value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin truly is supposed to in a real sense be at around at least $0.072 in an essentially significant manner. Dogecoin cost can fundamentally arrive at an especially limit of $0.082, with the really normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars, or so they basically thought. Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin generally is in every practical sense anticipated to really reach at a very least worth of $0.080 in September 2023 in a significant way. The Doge cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $0.085, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.086, which essentially is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin sort of is explicitly anticipated to explicitly reach at a sort of least worth of $0.086 in November 2023, exhibiting how Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023 as per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Doge cost in a real sense is supposed to cross an especially normal value level of $0.093, the normal extremely least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the exceptionally current year ought to basically be $0.089 in an unpretentious manner. The Doge cost could explicitly arrive at a really most extreme worth of $0.093, with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin basically anticipated to sort of reach at a truly least worth of $0.089 in December 2023, which generally is genuinely huge. The Doge cost could especially arrive at a very most extreme worth of $0.098, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023. Showing the way that the Doge cost could especially arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.093, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023 in a significant manner. Dogecoin by and large past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been certainly diminished by 3.79% in its certainly current worth in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming we truly analyze the genuinely current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap basically is likewise down, which in a real sense shows that Dogecoin passed value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been by and large diminished by 3.79% in its exceptionally current worth, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin especially is confronting a sort of difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Doge is down to nearly 7.76% in the truly most recent 7 days in a huge manner. The coin essentially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for exceptionally past in every practical sense. Not many days, the coin could truly have kind of solid basics yet. We don't in a real sense feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment, showing how Dogecoin all things considered passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been truly diminished by 3.79% in its all things considered current worth in a quite large way. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge explicitly diminished by 38.171%, disposing of an astounding really normal amount of $0.036 from its ongoing worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be a fundamentally decent basically purchase a valuable open door for fast venture, or so they basically thought. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 32.03%, and the cost for the most part flowed from a fundamentally least sort of typical cost of $0.085 to sort of greatest kind of normal cost of $0.088 in the especially beyond 90 days amazingly. Dogecoin in a real sense is somewhere near 17.87%, with the greatest really normal cost of the coin explicitly was around $0.076, and the truly least especially normal cost of especially was around $0.073 in essentially beyond 4 months, exhibiting that inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge by and large diminished by 38.171%. Killing an incredible genuinely normal amount of $0.036 from its especially current worth in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin Value Conjecture 2023 Facts. What will be Dogecoin exceptionally worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The Doge cost explicitly is determined to explicitly arrive at a truly greatest degree of $0.098, with pretty least cost of $0.089 toward the finish of 2023 in a genuinely enormous manner. Does Dogecoin by and large have a future, or so they thought? As far as value, Dogecoin has an extraordinary really potential to arrive at new levels, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. It truly is estimate that Doge will increment in esteem, showing that Dogecoin passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been generally diminished by 3.79% in its ongoing worth in a quite large manner. As per really unambiguous specialists and business experts,